Ever wondered why honey never seems to go bad? It's like nature's magic trick. Imagine finding honey in ancient Egyptian tombs, thousands of years old, and it's still perfectly okay to eat. Yep, you read that right. You see, honey has this incredible power to stay fresh for ages. It's all thanks to its special ingredients. Honey has very little water and a mix of amino acids, vitamins, minerals, iron, zinc, and antioxidants. These nutrients not only help keep honey from spoiling, but also make it super healthy for you. When you have honey daily or frequently, you're not just enjoying its delicious taste, but you're also giving your body a boost of goodness. Honey is known for its many health benefits, like soothing sore throats, boosting energy levels, and even supporting your immune system. So next time you drizzle honey on your toast or stir it into your yogurt, remember, you're not just adding sweetness to your day. You're also giving your body a dose of nature's goodness.